Hi everyone, I'm Kay from WiAdvance Technology. Today, this is my pleasure to share a remarkable practice about how we implement smart manufacturing on 5G private networks.
Ride the wind, the world overlooked through the clouds. A higher sense of beauty, as WiAdvance Technology provides one-stop solution for Industry 4.0 applications and 5G enterprise private networks. Use cloud technology. Bring a more efficient experience to the enterprise.
WiAdvance Technology is a subsidiary of Wistron Group. We are a premium Microsoft Azure partner and a licensing solution partner, focusing on providing cloud services such as consulting, migration, and the next generation managed services. Since for being part of Wistron Group, we have a rich experience and understanding in the manufacturing field. This helped us to better offer smart manufacturing solutions from the user point of view. We believe cloud, AI, and data, these three aspects will be the key success factor to the manufacturing digital transformation. Our next step is to provide our customer with vertical SaaS solutions, which suit various industries and operational scenarios. 5G private networks are expected to be the critical enabler of the future factories. We combine Wistron and Chunghwa Telecom competencies to deliver end-to-end services. Our customer could embrace 5G applications while this one-stop shopping.
我们也在思考说，5G 能够带来，给企业带来什么样的一个解决方案？在过去，我们在生产制造用的比较多是 WiFi 及实体线。过去呢 ，WiFi 时常会有网络干扰的问题，那实体网路线呢，常常就有布线时程长的问题。那第二个呢，我们在做所谓大数据分析的时候啊，时常会有所谓数据，所谓我们3个 V 啊，就是所谓的多样化。大量以及要速度快，刚好5G 的特性啊，刚好符合所谓的高低大这一方面的特性，所以我们想说5G 是不是能够解决大数据的问题？那第三个应该是最重要的问题，就是说我们在今年年初获得的那个竹北国际 AI 智慧园区地上权案，那我们希望在全场域啊都能够5G 化，让这个5G 的应用啊能够得到发展。那在这之前，我们当然就必须要有一个验证，说在这里面的资讯安全、资讯的一些流动、硬体架构、软体搭配等等。那我们就希望透过这一个方式啊，来导入整个5G 企业专网的整体的应用及学习。
We bring cloud technology, system integration, and manufacturing vertical know-how together as one to upgrade our customers' factory to the next level, modern, innovative, and productive. Briefly speaking, under this tripartite teamwork, Chunghwa Telecom support 5G technologies, Wistron provide their manufacturing field. WiAdvance invest in cloud AI and data applications into this hybrid cloud 5G environment. Our customer could reshape and rebuild their competitive advantage by expanding the coverage and the complexity of future smart manufacturing and automated services through this practice.
我们针对5G 实作的项目呢，其实我们已经规划了大概一个短中长期的一个3年计划。大概涵盖了人机料法5大面向，然后28个用例。那最接近的短期的部分呢，我们叫做5G 6A 方案。所谓6A 就包括就是原来所谓的 AR 的眼镜的部分，另外第二个就是所谓的 AGV， 还有 AMR，然后再来就是所谓的 AOI， 这是自动光学检验的部分，然后再来是 AI Motion， 就是用 AI 来做动作分析。再来就是 AIoT 如何串接设备这些机台。在疫情期间，我们刚好要有一些设备的一些装机的部分，那我们就想到说，之前有做过所谓的 AR POC 的一些专案，利用这个 AR 远程专家的方式，我们产品在这个过程里面有一些问题 ，R&D 啊也没办法进到工厂里面来，所以我们也是透过这个 AR 眼镜啊， 然后双方如果都可以看到这个实体，针对这个现象量测能够得到一些回馈。
Wistron Hsinchu factories had 3 short-term target applications. 1. Human factor engineering AI analysis. 2. Remote AR assistance and the AMR AGV logistic platform. We tested 3 applications in 4G and Wi-Fi environment and still found latency problem. Therefore, we took good advantage of 5G features, including high bandwidth and low latency to transmit live high-definition image in real time for analysis and tracking purpose. On the production line, the operator's assembly action and movement will be digitalized and calculated by the smart human factor AI image analysis. The field condition will be fed back to the line manager in real time. Therefore, the production line manager could take corrective action from daily, weekly to even hourly. Furthermore, experts from different sites could co-work together remotely and seamlessly through the live video streaming and rendering overlay 3D images. In the next phase, WiAdvance will continue to help Wistron implement more applications on the 5G private networks, such as AI defect detection, AI assembly line balance, manufacturing process auditor, and mixed reality. We have strong faith on that the factory will see significant value and contribution of these applications with 5G private networks. From infrastructure planning, deployment, and maintenance, WiAdvance provide total solution to drive 5G-based end-to-end applications. We are not only a SI, but also a cloud and vertical service provider to support manufacturing customers' digital transformation. 5G-powered applications on private networks are shaping the future of the large-scale enterprise. WiAdvance can play the bridge role between the IT and OT. We will continue to work closely with Chunghwa Telecom and the Wistron Group to spread these innovative 5G applications to overseas.